So something I always see in my life is more tweezers, because I always seem to lose them, and I always seem to kind of want a precise tweezer. And I love having, I hate to say it, but I love having a pair of tweezers at work, because sometimes like I'll just feel like an eyebrow hair here that I just want to pluck, and I just keep a pair of tweezers there at work. That's all I'm gonna say, because sometimes I'll just feel the rogue hair like right at the top, and I just need to like make my eyebrows precise. But that's why I had to try this 8-in-1 eyebrow kit. And as you can see, I have a little different brush, because unfortunately, as soon as my daughter saw the cute little eyebrow brush that came, she stole it. She now tells me she does her eyebrows, and she stole it. So that's where that is. But what I also love too is this is a great little like comb to cut it. But so, especially too, because I do have like a little thicker eyebrows, so you can just kind of comb this up there, and you can kind of trim nicely. But all the eyebrows are super precise, which is what I want. So as you can see that there's no gaps or anything, so they're super precise. Great carrying case. I also love that they come with tweezers, or scissors, because I always need scissors to cut eyelashes, to cut like a rogue hair sometimes, or even just in my makeup kit, I need an eyebrow, like little scissors. This also comes with a razor, which is super important sometimes, especially if you're gonna just trim up baby hair really quick. That you always need this. So this is kind of like the everything kit that everything you could possibly need. So this has kind of the really precise tweezers, the really like kind of heavy duty kind of tweezers, and scissors, a brush, everything you really need. So if you're looking for a new kit, especially to like keep in a travel bag, this is what